This is Jose from Nexus Property Management. We're in 286 Peckham Street in Fall River. This is a second floor unit. This unit is a 5-bedroom unit. This is the living room. Bathroom. This is the first bedroom. Second bedroom. The kitchen. We have the kitchen. So this is the stairs to the top floor where the other bedrooms are. Stairwell. Here we are. Third bedroom. Fourth bedroom. Second bathroom. This unit has 2 bathrooms, 2 full bathrooms. One with tub, one with only shower. Fifth bedroom. So remember, this unit is a 5-bedroom unit. This unit is located in Fall River in 286 Peckham Street, Fall River. The second floor unit. This unit is a 5-bedroom unit.